How to turn off keyboard sound on iPhone. Don't like the clicking sound when you type? You can easily turn off keyboard sounds in just a few taps. Here's how. Step 1, open Settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2, tap Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Step 3, scroll to Keyboard Feedback. Tap Keyboard Feedback. Step 4, turn off sound. Toggle sound to off, optional. You can also turn off haptic if you don't want vibration feedback. That's it. Your keyboard will now be silent when you type. Like and share if this helped. Subscribe for more iPhone customization tips.